Hello friends, we got 2009 Honda Civic and we are gonna change engine oil 17 millimeters, and this is the plug. So I untied it, drain the oil, then put the plug back. Then I'm using this wrench right here, oil filter wrench. You can use this little thing, but I think it's easier with a wrench. This is what used to be on the car. Valvoline not too bad. I went ahead and got me a K&N filter. This is better. It's like 20 bucks filter. Right here, let's match the holes of these sweeties. They are same, diameter are same. Let's fill with oil. This one, new one. And this is the oil that I'm using. The Valvoline 520. And it takes about, I think it's almost 5 quarts. So let's fill it up with the oil, this one. Also, let's lube the O-ring. Let's put it back. I cannot really use this wrench anymore, but this thing got its own like a bolt welded to it with 1-inch socket. Tighten it like that. It's very convenient. Mine now it's nice and tight. Then fill up almost like 5 quarts, 4.5 quarts. I would start the vehicle, let it run for a couple minutes, shut it off, and check your dipstick. And now we're going to reset it, the maintenance key thing. Okay, so put it on accessory. Where is that? 1, 2. Yeah, like that. An annoying little beeping thing. Okay, see it's flashing. You press this reset and hold in until the percentage. Come on, puppy, focus. Okay, now it's flashing. Let it go, and now press it again. Press again and hold it. Hold it. Booyakasha. Nice, 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 nice. Reset it. Okay, awesome, awesome smawesome. Let's see. Miles. Okay, 100%.